Mano sano mwanchu muliebeta seni kia Ndizi TV no gasembere kwa nemina kwa beri kugutwara obuligerelia obia nandene biro bindengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana Amayia elindengo manyie nara ya beri kago kolekana kurwa chingongo chionsi inye chinsi kulinde nyora chinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagatonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagatonyara wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagatonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Eritaliane Fridah Kerubo ngo kwaligani bene elindeto sange ase obwamo chinga kitoroche egati yaboncherera ba boda boda kurasumuchi obosongo babo mochiri abana siasa abo bagutumika abana boda boda ilikorama omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ase baganire koegwa amasikani gucyaso umugavana nabaga ko mwachinga kishinyororo ase okokora emirimo yaye nabayigo abalemi bechaye kurase county ya Nyamira banigo basangire ebirengerero byabo kubwatekana n'umurobelio omini bonus nabayigo magigaye video yabana kurase skuru yoboroso ya itumbe dio kego sambaso ase emitandao onanigo omoroki wonde abekirubyara ase bayikire aborokiwa abatano na babere ababete bagokora egekolekyo nabagase county ya Narok nigo mugavana we county yo Patrick Olentutu abereka gusira oboncherya sensemeyo ase okubaga chera chistand imechireyo elyakwane kinga oboncherye bwabongo kolekana bole asenchera endonge mwanchi muri to basakonyegera to basaguska kwirananda segekege kekerebosyo elinde ngomanye amange Ingo chaka kigima omwanchi omulierere nigongo chakera county ya Kisii asengo kumanyibuna egati yabonchereria ba boda boda kuraso mu Kibosongo nigo bono baba mochiri abana siasa abagutumika abana boda boda ase okumurama omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kolengana na baroboni go baganiri omugavana koegwa amaskani nabo igo ko mwachinga ki chinyororo ase ogwikirani emirimo yabo kolende nigo baganiri gotigana na siasa asengencho nigo babolire siasa chintu ndende nigo kira kigo cyaka wika umwaka o 2027
asa maleta ngoro kwa Johnson Makoli no morujo boda boda somo chito bosongo ege ndogerege to tande sana somo chito bosongo nale kogoli bana boda boda bonsi kwa chumo ngige kowera omonda ngoro from nowe gosomo ndori gosina olwembera ime ocho chibotumeka bana boda boda ngige kowera omonda gotumeka bana boda boda korama bana siasa yani ndu boda boda na mpire chiri pastor omondo kobeka watigaga butwagenda mwado tumeka arafu after mwado tumekire mwado mwage roje kwatira nabana munayi ona boda boda tokale kwa kobonyira ngatongo yani ngandu none family ndokwa jira abantu tokwe bange trani twechoge ndonga ota bireba mwana yo mumunaro yedi kwa magabana ora mama anada kera usanaga bana mumro bebe no tari ko kuya bana ona to kumedia kera ko mwana boda boda wasa mwendana na makono rama bana yo to ta to monte bire roiga ebe dio moelio kweto karama bana me ko se turgo ko dio bana boda boda ko kurienda na to karama bana namuro yo junda wa mukandiri na de gaji aske bana tari ko igwa
Abalemi bechaye kurwase county ya Nyamira bono nigo basangire ebirengerero byabo igoro y'umurobelio omini bonus yorokana gokoleta ogutaigwanana agokwana omunyakirugo okebirigo tea factory anigo asanga engwana yaye igoro y'umurobelio ase abolia abalemi koba abatoherero nabo igo gokora emirimo yabo boikirano
Asama lieta ankoro kunelson yonduko nyancha mochiama ni okebirigo tea factory company limited amangana nale muwete akonako monyoka yembewiga gweta ngaba director amba kaneti nusu mwaka anta geteko korea pili cha saba ni baito bechi factory chonsi cha son 10 bono ntuto gokorea biri gocha sabalimi baitu babe kam bategerera aba director babo naende bagenderere gotoe chaengi ya matabere nenkoro ntogendete korosie chaengi ya tonie tobe bonus yegwererete igo mang'ana iyo embe yitige manyunga na embe ekogusikuna abantu ole bwate birangeri yibibe asabalemi
ase nusu mwake karo toko yewa mutwari antu kamanyiti ngai besa irenga togocha koewa elinde jichirusiwe irenga togocha koewa igo besa ejinji gakale tigento kieke ntogo chimanya aya chibese chibona tokoewa chigocha goiko mwaka oria ekara chigocha konachwa ntonachwa bonus.
Magega ye video ya bana kurwase skuru ya Itumbe DOK gosambazwa ase omutandao bananigo abanyanyimbo kurwase nsemo ya Nyamache babekire biara omorokia oyomo kolengana no CPD Kipkemboi Kipkelei nigo abande batano nomo babegitu biara ase baikigwa bosibwe kigambero kia ogembo elio kwiraneria amabolio.
It has been reported yesterday at around midday. We had a report from the sub-county director of education, Madam Linet Onduso, that there was a clip going viral in the social media. She reported the case to us, and immediately we started to investigate the same. And actually, we managed to link the clip with one of our school in Nyamache by the name Itumbe DOK Primary School. Immediately, our officers were dispatched to the school in a company of education officers, and actually when we reached the school, when the officers reached the school, they were able to establish that actually the clip was taken in the school because the teachers actually confessed that they did the same. So immediately we arrested the teachers and we brought them to Nyamache police station, and we reported some settlement from them. When we were doing the reporting of the statement, we actually managed to, one of the teachers confessed that actually she shared the same clip to her colleague, to his colleague, or by the name Obadia Makaya. We needed to look for the same teacher, and we managed to arrest him last evening. We recorded also his statement, and he also confessed that he got actually the clip from Madam Angelina Joseph, and he also shared the same to his colleague, who is a teacher in another school. So today morning, after completing the statements, today morning we managed to present them before Okempo Law Court for the purpose of requesting for more 7 days to detain them as we continue doing the investigation.
Umugavana we county ya Narok Patrick Olentutu nigo asioliri omorobelio bokwaga chachi stand oyo oirire chishiringi chimilioni emia eyemo ase okwenekimna eyinenchereyemo yogosira aboncherelia ase ensemeyo bokwana nigo ayenekimna obekire emerobelia bene ase okwenekimna aboncherelia kurase ensemeyo ngokorabale emerimo yabo ase nchira endonge ase okwenekimna matukabusio ngosangereri bale ebango eisaine.
Mheshimiwa Gavana, tumekubaliana wote siku 14 tarehe 15, si leo ni tarehe 1, hii wiki ambayo inakuja sasa wataenda kufanya kitu inaitwa lottery. Makaratasi inawekwa zote saa hizi stall, kwa wale stall owners unapick. Ukipick number 1 unaambiwa ndio ile number 1, hakuna ukora. Kama ni number 2 unaenda huko. So kwa hizi 180 stalls ambayo mmeona hapa iko na wenyewe tayari, kwa sababu ni wale ambao tumetoa, na pia tumehesabu matatu zote ambazo ziko Narok. So hao watakuwa na ofisi yao.
That in the next 2 months hatutaki kusikia kuna shida ya titles. We are going to provide that, ndio wananchi hizo titles muweze kuzitumia ili kujiboresha katika maisha yenu. When you have that title deed, you can use it to get money.
Shida ambayo tuko nayo nyingi ni kwa sababu there is no dignity in your hustle. This is what this plan on market is all about. Is about
Omowaziri bwa mache Alice Wahome nigo asioliri bene omorobiri bwo kubeka amache ase chinsemo bunaturukana Marsabit Wajir nabo igo ase chinsemo chirichia Mandera obwagachi bwebisima nigo borachigokonya abantu gwetani emilioni yemo nenusu ase ababwatani korwa chinse chesikobe sokiri bene ile korobokonye.
To scarcity, of course, is to deal with resilience issues, is to deal with degradation, but we still must store water. So our strategy in terms of water storage, water harvesting and storage still is on course and will continue because we have rains. When they come like today, we cannot store that water.
This project is part of the Djibouti, Somalia, Ethiopia, Kenya governments, an eager collaborative effort to manage the groundwater resources for increased sustainable access and management of groundwater in Horn of Africa.
If you look at the counties even in this program that will be financed through us, one of the major characteristics is poverty index. We have low water coverage. We also have low sanitation coverage. But for water resource management, it's the status of the catchment.
Aba MCAs korwa sebunge ya Gusii nigo basika emirango na bago gutaikirana ase egeikaro ekyo kiare gokorekana litkolia lero sekeli bagoteba buna nigo amagani abo ataraba kagotegererwa agokwana nigo baba koene kibuna nigo batenine bokongu ase okwegerera abamenyi bechinseme cyo ase baganirige amaonchoreli agokorekana elyo koene ki ogokoleri obia.
Nataka kutuma ujumbe kwa executive kwamba tuko tayari kukaa na wao chini tuweze kuelewana na tupitishe bajeti. Na mimi ambaye naongea ni baadhi ya wale MCS ambao walirudi kwa ile uchaguzi iliyopita, na kwa bajeti ya mwaka huu ambayo tulipitisha mwaka jana mwezi wa 6 ilikuwa imetengwa pesa za ward based programs.
Tuko hapa kwa haki yetu. Sisi tulitafuta kura na kuna pledges ama promises ambazo tulipea wananchi. Wakati huu wanafunzi wengi wanataka kuenda shuleni wa form 1s, kuna wengine tayari wako mashuleni na hawajiwezi.
Inatushangaza kuanzia 2022 kuendelea mbele tumeshtukia kwamba hakuna ward programs. Na hiyo ikikosekana wananchi anaenda kuumia. So ndio tunasimama kwa sauti moja kwamba bila hiyo sisi tutaendelea kutetea wananchi wa Busia.
Omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo agendete n'itara yaye ase ense ya Somalia ase abereka kumirana n'abarai agati yabo omuraibense yo Hussein Hassan Sheikh naboigo omuraibense ya Djibouti Ismail Omar Prime Minister wense ya Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed amono nabande ase batwalire egekaro elyokaneki emerobeli ya bene asokweneki obulendi anenamono ase obotanga Al-Shabaab naboigo obosagani ase enseri ya Somalia. Ekiombe giabarokigwa ase University ya Masinde Muliro nigo yachakire bene campaign yokorwa obasemia igoro yogo ichererana kwebirengerelyo kolengana na boroboni go muchando yo obiri go guchanda abange ase ba mukiri egetambukiro nabo go segeta abasae gwita nabo ase barachigotanga ebikorwa bunebyo gokolekana ase abasae abange.
Mental health is one of the most stigmatized and neglected aspect of health. So by creating awareness, we're able to break the stigma and the discrimination which is associated with mental health. And if we can sympathize with those clients who are suffering from other illnesses like cancers and HIV/AIDS, why don't you also sympathize with those clients who are suffering from mental health issues?
I'd like to urge especially institutions, universities, high schools, primary schools to incorporate mental health programs in their curriculum so that these students can also get to know about mental health, because as we are speaking, young people are the most affected people when it comes to mental health.
We are the youth, we are the society, so it is you and me to reach out to these people to help them. Like, you give them an ear to listen to. We don't have to judge them. It's not something that one wants to face.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Nandi bakobwaterana nilia ya Uingereza nigo babikire emiroberi ya bene ase ogutingia obokoreri bwabo omwambassador w'ense ya Uingereza gocha ase ense ya Kenya Jane Malot nigo abakagukwana koralitiko lya rero kurwa sensemeri ya Kapsabet amagigayo kumirana no governor Onandi Stephen Sang ase baba koikerana okoigwana anene mono ase ogukinia
visit a Kenyan company who does tea, one of the big Kenyan companies here, and I'm delighted to see that the relationship between the counties, the national government and the tea companies, not that many of whom are British anymore actually, most of them are Kenyan, continues to improve and that we are finding a way forward. I hope we'll also find a way forward on the Kerubo gold mine soon. The security and stability of the region and the people is very important to us.
In the last 3 or so months, we have had very fruitful engagement.
Okongusana na nigo kagendete kwene kigwa gati ye kiombe kia balimu na tena kelia gikobalika abalimu Teacher Service Commission asekeli bagote babuna nigo ekiombe gia Teacher Service Commission getaligo ikerani amaganio abo anene mono ase ensemeri obulendi bwirenense kolengana n'abanyakiombe kurwa sensemeri ya West Pokot nigo baganire aborokia kuirana chinsemo cyabo weka serikali yabikire emiro ya bene asokone kibuna obulendi mboisaine ase chinsemecho.
And we are perturbed as a union of West Pokot branch that some of our colleagues who are supposed to be rerouted back from Trans Nzoia have been denied to come back to their respective county. There is a deliberate scheme being done by the Teacher Service Commission at the headquarters. We have made to understand that some non-locals have been rerouted back to West Pokot, and the locals have denied that particular chance to come home and unite with their families in that particular respective scenario. So I am appealing to our President, our Excellency, President Dr. William Ruto, to order Teacher Service Commission, to instruct the Teacher Service Commission to reroute.
Mwanche muligeria kurwa soroba tioroni wana ikire omweli obwa mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo sabato basakuskato basakonyegera kikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no nyora senchera iyo bikireno inyora asinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeri ya YouTube na bagotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Magechi kamera soko ni kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogira gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama Eriotariane Fridah Kerubo kukoganiria obuligereria obia.